Welcome to Jajja Academy Lahore. Today I'll discuss the definitions of computer network, workgroup computing and groupware. Let's start from computer network. Computer network is also known as an information network. If we connect two or more computers with one another and enable them to share their information and resources is called a computer network. In this diagram, there are three personal computers, one scanner and one printer. All these devices are connected to one another using this central device. This central device is known as computing device. Computing devices are used to connect different devices into a computer network. For example, in this diagram, this central device is used to connect all these devices to one another. And this central device is known as a computing device. The examples of computing devices are switch, router, etc. We'll study these devices later in this chapter. Now let's see the purpose of creating a computer network. When we connect computers with one another, they can communicate with each other. Communicate means they can share their information with one another. For example, this personal computer can share its personal data that is stored on its hard drive with other computers connected to the same network. Similarly, any of these computers which are connected together can share their resources with other computers. Now, what are the resources? Resources can be hard disk, printer, scanner, or any other devices. Not only the hardware devices, but software resources can also be shared in a computer network. This is the basic purpose of creating computer networks. In this network, there is one scanner and one printer. All these three computers can use this scanner and printer as these resources are a part of this computer network and they are connected to all these three computers. Now let's see how computers are connected to each other. What is the method of connectivity? The connectivity can be a wired connectivity or a wireless connectivity. In wired connectivity, as shown in this diagram, through green lines, all devices are connected with one another through green wires. So this type of connectivity in which we use cables to connect computers and resources with one another is called wired connectivity. In the wireless connectivity, the wireless modems or antennas are used to connect various devices into a computer network. And the link through which we connect devices with each other is called communication medium. And communication medium can be a wire or it can be signals in case of wireless connectivity. Now let's see where these devices should be located on. The computers connected in a network can be placed in the same room, in different rooms but within a building, or at different places outside the building. On the basis of their location, we name computer networks differently and we'll discuss it later in this chapter. Now let's see the benefits of computer networks. The most important benefit of creating computer network is to share information and to share resources between connected devices. Moreover, networks are used to communicate with different people all over the world very easily. Another important benefit is computers in a computer network can share their softwares as well. The next term is workgroup computing, a group where people work together on a particular task and share information through computer network. Such a group is called a work group. And the process of sharing information in a work group through computer network is called workgroup computing. And the softwares that are used in workgroup computing are called groupware. The software through which individuals that are working on common project can communicate or coordinate with their colleagues is called groupware. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to my channel.